What are you passionate about? What brings the passion in pools?
It's not even about the pools, it's about customer service, I would have to say. I want to be a part of something big. I want my customer base to be a part of something that they're very proud of. I want to build a company where my customers just can't stop talking about it, referring me out to their neighbors, and so on and so forth.
Okay.
My love for this is satisfying the customer, making sure that the service that is provided to them is up to their standards.
Yeah, I noticed that when you're on the phone with customers, that you can tell that every customer is important to you.
Every single one of them.
Yeah.
I want to provide the service that I expect. My pool technician that shows up and cleans my pool, I expect perfection. And every single one of my techs should do the same for my customers. Listen, a customer is paying for a service.
Yeah.
And that service needs to be provided. That's it, period. And if they're not getting it, let me know. I'll make sure that it is.